Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can learn a free course related to your job skills from udemy.com. Udemy is a free site on where you can upload your courses and you can also learn courses free from this site. Before proceeding further in this video, please subscribe my channel so that you can get a notification for every new video. There are different kind of courses. First of all, you need to go to Udemy, write UDEMY Udemy in the Google. This is the website udemy.com. Click on it. When you open this website, you can select categories here. There are bundle of courses available related to your job skills. For example, I want to select a course related to my specialty, engineering. Then I need to go to teaching and academics. Here you can see engineering, humanities, math, science. In humanities there are different kinds of courses available: maths, science, online education, social sciences, language learning. And teacher training, many courses available. I am selecting here my field, which is electronics engineering, and a special course which is called PLC Programming. And here you can see most of the courses are the paid ones. Paid courses are available with different kinds of prices you can see, but you can select free courses. How you can select a free course? You need to go scroll down here and go to price and select here free. When you're selecting a free course, then you need to search. My course is PLC Programmable Logical Controller, and you can see that different courses are available here. You need to select once again free courses. Go to price, select here free. PLC Programming. When you select it, you need to go down to its price. It should be free course. Here you can see that these are the free PLC courses: Introduction to PLC Programming, Program Simulate PLC HMI, PLC Next Generation, PLC Programming 100. These are the totally free courses. For example, I am selecting this course, TIA Portal Training Course. You can have its introduction here. It is available in English. If you want to enroll for this program, click on Enroll Now. If you want to see the demo of this course, click on this video.
Assalamu alaikum. Now in this lecture we will study how to use a set and reset instruction.
This is introduction, what is being learned in the course. And now click on Enroll Now for free enrollment. Put your information here, and first of all you need to put your details here and sign up for create an account for your convenience to avail any related course to your job skills. This is very important website. I think everyone should have an account on this website. You can also offer your own courses. If you have learned any skill and you can teach to others, you need to upload those courses whichever you have by creating an account, and you can upload your own courses, paid courses or free courses, whichever you want. Thank you so much for watching this video.